So hi, this is Jayashree
And this is Kamala Priya.
representing Fiddlies, the fun idlis. So let us just we just have a small presentation on about Fiddlies. So we would like to share that and just give a quick understanding.
So
So
now Fiddlies has become talk of the town, and it's actually ready to eat idlis. And actually, when you see, um, so we have different varieties of idlis like chili idli, masala idli, podi idli, curry leaves idli, and many more in the line to be introduced next month soon. And first, let us present to you all the most favorite and loved product of all. The Fiddlies Lollipop Idli. The crispy mini idlis in lollipop style, enriched with tangy masalas, toppings, and seasonings. See, always kids love to eat lollipops and also different varieties of food. And this one is combination of their liking like lollipop along with the different tangy taste. It's hot and tangy with all masalas. So it's a different variety. And the other varieties are chili idli. It's crispy idli with tangy taste maker made of aromatic, flavorful vegetables, shortening, and gravy. And the masala idli is now we are renaming it as sandwich idli, and we have introduced it now. That's actually mashed potatoes with healthy condiments and other flavorful vegetables stuffed inside idli like sandwich. Then podi idli, it comes as mini idlis dipped in traditional idli podi made of red chili and Indian lentils that are rich in protein, which help in building the body strong. And curry leaves idli, it also comes as mini idlis dipped in authentic curry leaves podi. The primary ingredient being curry leaves, which is rich in iron and calcium, the much needed minerals in the present age. So these are our products, and this is the 2 minutes idli. Would you believe that on not only noodles, the most liked food by the kids, are made in 2 minutes. Even our own idlis too are made just in 2 minutes. Just you need to reheat our products that are frozen, and the shelf life of the product is 6 months from the date of manufacture. So you can keep it in the freezer for 6 months and use it. Just you need 2 minutes to reheat the product and taste it. The yummy idli, crispy and tasty idli is hot and ready to eat for you. Any moment you can just barge in you can enter your home, just heat it for 2 minutes and have your meal. So that's it about the product. Now handing over to Jayashree to explain you all about the business opportunity we are providing.
thank you, Priya. So just continuing on our business model. So first, good news from our end is we have come online, and the customers can buy it in eshop.fiddlies.com. So the shopping has become much more easier during the lockdown period. So when the kids start feeling bored about the regular dishes that we have, so just a click on our website would provide. I mean, we would be providing the delivery at your doorstep within Chennai. So we've started in Chennai, but we are trying to expand in other places as well. Yeah. So this is on our e-shop. Yeah, so this is the most important part which we wanted to discuss about our business opportunity, where we wanted to mention about the stockist and the distributors for Fiddlies. So please join the team to fulfill your dreams, and the contact numbers for becoming distributor or stockist. The contact number to reach us has been provided in the PPT. Let me read that out for everyone. It is 73581 60242 and 73581 60852. Let me just brief out what exactly we mean by a distributor and what we mean by a stockist. So first we'll go with the distributor. Distributor, as the name says, it is just like other distributors for the other products that we have. So the stock which we expect, meaning the MOQ, minimum order quantity for a particular distributor to take from us is 200 packs. So which is comprising of all the varieties. As of now, we have 5 varieties of idlis, and we are also expanding, as told by Priya. So we are also expanding our products more, since we have a warm welcome for all the products we have now launched in the market. And from the second time onwards, so this is going to be the initial MOQ. From the second time onwards, the MOQ needs to be 100 packs for any variety, meaning with all the 5 varieties that we have. And reorder level, we expect at least 15 packs per particular order. So that is what is expected. And the deposit which we expect for a distributor is a very minimum amount, which is a 20,000 deposit. So he can possess, assumption is the distributor has to possess a 400-liter freezer to store our product. Since our products needs to be frozen, so they need to have a freezer. If they don't have, we can refer some sort of like suitable manufacturers or any sort of distributors. I mean, any sort of hiring of freezers can be done from our end. So the basic deposit amount is going to be 20,000, where we are going to give a pack of 200. And the reconciled payment cycle needs to be within 30 days, and the percentage of direct sales, whatever the distributor is going to get, is going to be 30%. It's a flat 30%. And the locking period a particular distributor needs to have is going to be a 10-month period. So this is a very brief note about the distributor. And the next part, so this is going to be in a very large scale which we are talking. So we are just thinking that why don't we have more opportunities for a small scale business as well. So distributor, as the name says, we might get afraid that that's going to be a very big role, and whether we'll be, especially for the women, we would think that we need to be very dynamic and we'll not be able to concentrate more on our personal things. So all these things, what we thought is, why don't we have another business opportunities where you can do the business from home instead of a distributor. So that particular model is called a stockist model. Okay, so where the stock and all the number of packets is going to be in a minimum amount. So the minimum stock quantity for the stockist is going to be 7 packs. Okay, in each variety.
That's really wonderful. I think it's a very, very stockist வந்து personal consumption முடிச்சிருவாங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன் நீங்க கொடுக்கிற. Wonderful. Yeah, go ahead.
And from the second time onwards, they need to have 10 packs in each variety. And reorder level, we thought like it needs to be 12 packs minimum, meaning at least 3 packs in each variety. So that's what we have mentioned here. And all the marketing slides, for a distributor, see the marketing slides, all these things we'll give. But for stockists, we will be helping them in the marketing as well. So we would be referring some of the clients to the stockist, and they need to register with us, and with a minimum deposit amount of 5,000, and we would be helping them on direct sales, as well as the online orders will be routed to them. All these we are trying to do. So the percentage on direct sales for the stockist would be 20%, and whatever they are going to have, like whatever order we are going to get in eshop.fidleys.com, the customer is going to come and collect in their doorstep, their percentage is going to be 7%. But if they are providing a delivery for the online order which we have picked up and assigned to their name, they would be getting a percentage of 12. So the payment needs to be within 15 days and they need to have a very small freezer. So since it is going to be, number of packs is going to be very less, and they can even store it in their normal fridge, which has a freezer facility as well. So, so the stockist is a mini form of distributor where all the activities, all the sales can be done from home itself. So this is a very good opportunity for people who would like to be at home and do the business, especially during the COVID situation.
That is really, really wonderful, both of you for that matter. It's a fantastic business opportunity. Verum 5,000 rupees, if you can get into a food business, I don't think there's another better opportunity to get into food business. And once again, today you are watching Online Bazaar, which is an initiative by WeDo, and you are witnessing WeDo WorkPure members, which I'm super proud introducing, because வெறும் தாம் பிசினஸ மட்டும் பார்க்காம அவங்க பிசினஸ் தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டு இன்னும் நிறைய பேரை ஆண்டர்பிரினர்ஸ் ஆக்கணும் அப்படின்ற அந்த இனிஷியேட்டிவ் இஸ் அ மோஸ்ட் வெல்கமிங் திங். ஸோ அந்த வகையில இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்த்த ரெண்டு பிசினஸஸ், அதுல இவங்களோட இந்த ஃபுட் பிசினஸ் விச் இஸ் வெரி வெரி குட். பிகாஸ் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆஃப் ஆல் இன்னைக்கு கோவிட் லாக்டவுன் பீரியட்லயும் சரி, ஜென்ரல் ஒர்க்கிங் டைம்ஸ்லயும் சரி, the routine of giving snacks or food in a very interesting way to kids அப்படிங்கிறது வந்து is a big challenge. But Fidleys has made it very, very easy for you. So a distributor model or a stockist model, pushing the stock is never going to be a problem with Fidleys products, because they are constantly innovating and constantly coming up, and they are very open to feedbacks, and they keep adding a lot of newer varieties to their list. So younger members liye pathina, there are so many people who are real fans of their products, Lollipop Idlis and so many varieties. So definitely a wonderful opportunity as a business opportunity for everybody to really consider. Again, if you are already working elsewhere, this is once again a very good opportunity, because unga kudiya irukka kudiya people already ungalku oru irukra contacts ku vandu you can really give, and the percentages are also very, very good. So I think idu innoru romba good opportunity which everybody should consider. So anything else, Jayashree and Kamalapriya madam?
Yes, we would like to share our advertisement here, just for the people to know how the pack and how it looks after reheating.
Sure.
Yeah, just a minute.
Are you able to see that?
Yes.
Okay, all right, let me play that. That was fantastic and super tempting to see the visual. Fantastic.
Thank you so much.
Yes. So if you want to, people who are watching, if they want to order, where should they go and order first? And then where should they come and give a business inquiry? Is it on your website? Can you just clarify it for last time again before we wrap up?
Yes, actually, if they want to order, they can come to eshop.fidleys.com and place their orders. We deliver within Chennai now. As of now, we deliver within Chennai. In few more, maybe in few more days or few more months, we will be delivering all over Tamil Nadu and other states also. We are working on it. And for regarding inquiries about distributorship and the stockist, you can call the number that has been displayed, and I can also repeat it again. It's 7358160242 and also 7358160852. So you can call either of the number and discuss about the business opportunity.
That's wonderful. Wonderful, Priya and Jayashree, once again.
Thank you so much.
And thank you so much and all the very best. I'm sure you are going to be a very important source of encouragement to a lot of ladies and people out there who want to start business. So, all the very best to you. So, thank you so much. So, once again, to people who are watching, what you're watching right now here is Online Bazaar by We Do Work Peer, an initiative by Women Entrepreneurship Development Organizations. On every Saturday and Sunday at 5 o'clock, we present our women entrepreneurs. And this week, we are super proud in presenting the business opportunities that they are offering to other women to start their entrepreneurial journey. So tomorrow, once again at 5 o'clock, we will be meeting you with yet another 2 opportunities. Tomorrow, it's going to be slightly different. It's going to be about alternative therapies that one could actually put their hands into. Yes, we are going to have some alternative therapist offering courses to you tomorrow, which you can take up, and within a span of 6 to 8 months, you can start practicing it commercially as a practitioner. So we have that tomorrow. And also for certain people who are unable to discover themselves, again, there is a business opportunity which awaits you. So we are here to present different opportunities for you. Whichever you resonate with or whichever you feel is for you, please feel free to contact and be a part of it. We are also going to give our YouTube link in the comment below, Vido's YouTube link. Do follow, and we are trying to bring up more videos from you, from more of our women entrepreneurs. Support women entrepreneurship and be there with us in our journeys. So thank you once again, and thank you very much. So let's meet on the next live tomorrow at 5 o'clock. Do share it with your friends, and thank you once again. Kadambari Umapati, We Do Work Peer. Thank you. Signing off.